baga dito. Ayun po sa report natin, may nabalita pa akong isang matandang nakaupo dito. Sa report natin, makikibalita at interview po natin siya. Sige na po. Mukhang malungkot po siya at maraming problema pinagdadaanan. Lola, ano masasabi mo? Yung mga problema na kinakarap mo ngayon?
Mga lurong kapitong.
I took the supermarket flyers from the windowsill. I threw the day old tea from the cup. Packed up the photo album Matthew had made. Memories of a life that's been loved. Took the get well soon cars and stuffed animals. Poured the old ginger beer down the sink. Dad always told me, don't you cry when you're down. But Mum, there's a tear every time that I blink. Oh, I'm in pieces, it's tearing me up. But I know a heart that's broke is a heart that's been loved. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, He'll say hallelujah, you're home. I fluffed the pillows, made the bed, stacked the chairs up. Folded your nightgowns neatly in a case. John said he'd drive, then put his hand on my cheek and wiped a tear from the side of my face. And I hope that I see the world as you did, 'cause I know a life with love is a life that's been lived. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. And when God takes you back, He'll say hallelujah, you're home. Hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. You got to see the person I have become. Spread your wings and I know that when God took you back, He said hallelujah, you're home.
Siyempre, mga busy na yung mga anak mo. May pamilya na.
Alis na mo yung pamilya kong mag-ako lang. Ako dito.
Nandito naman kami mga apo mo eh.
Hilot sa pinihan. Ano ba yan naman?
Mga busy na eh, pamilya na eh.
Ano?
Ilan taon na lang? Ilan taon na? Bata pa. Bata pa. Ayaw pa mag 100 years old. Asan yung iba na lakad mo nila? Ayan. Gusto mo la, sila punta natin. Ha? Diba? Angkas na sa motor. Punta natin sila. Ha?
Dito?
Sino? Ako? Oo. Oo. Kung sama ka sa akin, letre, punta natin sila. Diba? Ha? Angkas ka lang sa akin sa motor. No? Angkas ka lang sa akin sa motor. Sila punta natin. Sila busy sila eh. Ikaw, wala ka naman busy. Angas ka lang sa akin sa motor. Uwi din agad tayo.
Bago wala nanaga ko doon kapuan. Ano man ang pilit. Kung ibang nga balat siguro. Nakasugad.